Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the Indian Institute of Management Indore. The calls for IIM Indore are out. So with this video, we are going to discuss about the selection criteria for IIM Indore. What about the batch profile? What about the placements? That everything we are going to discuss with this video. Now coming to the selection criteria for IIM Indore. So there is the minimum CAT percentile required according to the category. Like for general category, it is 80 percentile with the quantitative ability, DILR and VRC section, and overall it is 90 percentile. For EWS category also the same as that of the general category. For NCOBC it is 70 percentile in all the three sections and 80 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For SC category it is 55 percentile in all the three sections and 60 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For ST and PWD category it is 40 percentile in all the three sections and 45 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. So this is the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff according to the category. Now on the basis of the composite score, you might have received the call for the personal interview. So the composite score is calculated on the basis of the various parameters. Like your 10 score has 39% weightage, then your 12 standard score has 20% weightage, then your CAT score has in the VRC section it is 10% weightage, DILR section it is 10% weightage, then quantitative ability has 15% weightage. So overall your CAT score has 35% weightage and the diversity factor has the 6% weightage. So on the basis of that the composite score is calculated and on that basis you might have received the call for the personal interview round. So it has already been done. Now coming to the final selection. So in the final selection the 12.5% weightage is given to your 10 score, then 18.75% weightage is given to the VRC sectional score, then 9.375% weightage is given to your DILR and 9.375% weightage is given to your quantitative ability section score, and there is a 50% weightage is given to your personal interview score. So here you can see the maximum weightage is given to the personal interview score in the final selection. So if your overall performance is good in the personal interview along with the good academic profile, then you have a great chance that you will be able to convert the call from the IIM Indore. Now coming to the overall batch profile for IIM Indore, then if we consider the batch profile of 2021-2023 batch, then there are overall 470 candidates, and out of 470 candidates there are 65% candidates are the male candidates and 35% candidates are the female candidates, and there are 98 candidates who are pursuing the dual degree certificate. So in that the 73% candidates are the male candidates and 27% candidates are the female candidates. And if we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 29% candidates who have the work experience less than 1 year, then 40% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 2 years, 25% candidates have the work experience in between 2 to 3 years, and 6% candidates have the work experience of more than 3 years. And if we consider it according to the sector wise, then there are 2% candidates are from the healthcare sector, 3% candidates are from the real estate sector, 35% candidates are from the IT sector, 2% candidates are from the FMCG, 15% candidates are from the manufacturing, 5% candidates are from the e-commerce, then 12% candidates are from the consulting, 10% candidates are from the banking, 5% candidates are from the automotive, and 11% candidates have the work experience other than of this sector. And if we consider it in terms of undergraduate domains, then 4% candidates are with the finance sector, 8% candidates are with the chemical sector, 4% candidates are with the civil, 4% candidates are with the commerce, then 13% candidates are with the computer science, 4% candidates are with the economics, 10% candidates are with the electrical, 13% candidates are with the electronics, then 2% candidates are with the management sector, 17% candidates are with the mechanical sector, 3% candidates are from the metallurgy sector, 9% candidates are from the production sector, and 9% candidates are with the other sector than this. So on an average, if we talk about the work experience, then the average work experience of the candidates is of 21 months. 53% MBA candidates with work experience are over there, and 23% MBA candidates from the premier institutes like IITs, NITs, BITS, and there are so many. Now coming to the placement, so according to the data, the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 1.14 crore, which is increased by 132.6 from the last year CTC. The average salary package offered with this college, it is 30.21 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 57.2 lakhs per annum. And if we talk it about domain wise, then there are 18% placements are with the finance sector, 19% placements are with the general management, HR and operations domain, then 16% placements are from the IT and analytics domain, 18% placements are from the sales and marketing domain, and 29% placements are from the consulting domain. If we consider the consulting domain, then 29% placements are from the consulting domain, and if we consider the top recruiters of consulting, then those are Accenture, BCG, Deloitte, Bain & Company, KPMG, PwC, McKinsey & Company, and there are so many companies. The top recruiters of finance domain are Axis Bank, Bank of America, Barclays, Citibank, Credit Suisse, LDV's Alternative Asset Advisors, then Goldman Sachs, HDFC Bank, and there are so many companies. If we consider the general management and operations, then the top recruiters of this domain are Adani, EXL, JSW, WNS, Reliance, Tata Steel, Genpact, and there are so many companies. And if we consider the IT and analytics, then the top recruiters of this domain are Amazon, McMytrip, Microsoft, Walmart, Ola, TCS, and there are so many companies. If we consider the sales and marketing domain, then the top recruiters of sales and marketing domain are Bajaj, Halon, ITC, then Kevenue, Samsung, and there are so many companies. And if we talk about the overall top recruiters of IIM Indore, then those are Accenture, Adani, Aditya Birla Group, Capgemini, BCG, Barclays, Bajaj, then Infosys, Flipkart, IDFC First Bank, Citibank, Godrej, Google, Microsoft, HDFC Bank, IBM, and there are so many companies are over there. So this is all about the IIM Indore. Wish you all the very best for your upcoming journey. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.